What's up guys, welcome back to the show. It's been a while since I posted my last video, but we're back, we're at it again, and last time we had the car driving, we had the car running, it sounded beautiful, but I got the engine out, it's sitting on my engine stand, we're going to do some upgrades to it. The engine bay is all bare, we patched some holes, we're going to do some painting. Man, I got parts laying everywhere. I got some fender flares here, the clutch is over there, intercooler pipes, tires, left and right, got fenders and shit.
Yeah.
Bill has no idea where to point the camera, but it's all good. We're gonna do it. I'm gonna take you on this journey, but first I want to introduce you to my friend Bill. He's a professional flashlight holder.
Yeah, it's your boy Bill. I'm gonna be Steve's apprentice. I want to learn how to work on cars, build them, maintain them, do everything and anything. I played a lot of car mechanic simulator, so hopefully that'll translate into real life. I'm not sure if it will or it won't, but I guess we'll see.
Yeah, so Bill, as you can tell, he knows nothing about cars, but he's a really smart guy. I know him since high school, and we're going to make some videos together. It's going to be fun. I'm going to include a clip right now showing you the journey of the SC from its conception to where it is right now. Going forward, we're going to do some more videos of the SC, whether it be drifting, time attack. We're going to do this together. Bill's going to learn a few things, and we're going to have some fun. So stay tuned, stick around, and I hope you guys enjoy the show.
See y'all next time.
6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So we just picked up the SC. It's an absolute pig. I don't know if you can hear the exhaust. That's flooring it. That's flooring it. It's got nothing. Bounce it off the rev limiter. So this is memory seats in 1994. Auto tilt steering wheel, tilt and telescoping steering wheel. So when I put the key in the ignition, look how pimp that is. Blackout instrument cluster. Look at the details. Lexus is all about the details. It's gonna be a damn shame to tear this interior apart. Sounds like a Subaru. I guess we'll start by taking out the interior. I'm gonna be brokenhearted about it. This thing is so clean. I mean, even the little remote works for the keyless entry. Look at that. Anyone looking for a clean SC interior, here's your chance. But yeah, this thing is gonna be pretty much gutted all the way. My front lawn is filled with interior pieces. Yeah, I mean, now I understand why Lexuses of the 90s are so well made. I mean, the interior, the panels, all the little trim pieces, they overlap. It's so well designed and engineered. It's built like a Mercedes or an Audi of modern day. So I'm about to go for a drive. This thing is finally running. Look at my seat. Finally running on 4 cylinders.
You mean 8 cylinders?
8 cylinders. I'm no longer running on 4. Alright, so the spring is freshly hacked. I've got a hole burnt into my pants. And the sparks flying all over the place. Oh, yo, that's so flush. Oh,
Nice.
Oh, that looks good, dude.
So if you're trying to save money, cut the springs like my man Steve. If you don't got money, cut the springs. That's how you save money. That's how it doesn't become a money pit. You got me? I don't know much about cars, but all I know is flush, so you can't go wrong. It's gonna look nice when you drift.
Oh my god, look at this. 1030 or 1040 or actual cutting oil that they make. And you just sort of slather it all over the floor. This as well. Start it up.
Yo, that's pimp.
That's how you pick up girls, yo. Once the girls see that you have a nice car, and you're gonna pick up all the girls, man. Don't matter. They're gonna be all over you once they see you have a nice car. If you're driving some bougie ass shit, who's gonna want to be with you? You know, they're gonna be with you for the right reason. If you have a nice car, and the girl likes it, she might like you for the wrong reason, but at least you ain't late that night.